Everyone, I am Sidra Firdaus from class 6 of DP Shahid Path, and today I am going to show you how to make a photo frame. Making a photo frame, we need a origami paper, a sketch pen, scissor, crayon and glue. It is an origami paper. It is cut very good shaped, and here are some designs I have made. You have to make these designs like this, and now we have to curve with a pencil or a sketch pen, and you have to draw this design with the help of crayon and sketch pen. Now we have done with this. So now we are done with our photo frame, and now we can paste a picture. You can paste any picture, but I like flowers, so I am going to paste a flower. It is a good looking photo frame, and now it is completed.
Hello everyone, I am Nitya Pathak of class 7 B from DPA Shahid Path, and today I am going to make a photo frame in a very easy way. And for that we need a Fevicol, some colored papers, ruler, pencil and a pair of scissors. So let's start. So here and I have pasted in this borders, and now our photo frame is ready.